Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can create a contact in Mautic for every ThriveCart purchase automatically. So guys, ThriveCart is a checkout page and funnel builder application, and Mautic is an open source marketing tool. And many people use both of these tools for selling their digital product and for marketing. So guys, here I'm going to show you how you can integrate these two tools to save your time in manually transferring the data of contacts and customers from ThriveCart to Mautic. So here we are going to integrate these tools in such a way that whenever there is a new purchase via ThriveCart page, a contact or the customer will be added as a contact in Mautic automatically, saving you time and boosting your productivity. And we can set up this whole automation without any coding. So without any further ado, let's begin. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free. And you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, just sign up right now from the given link. Then you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, guys, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name. Now you can click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. So there can be many automated actions for a particular trigger. In our use case, guys, we are getting a ThriveCart purchase which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to add the customer as a contact in Mautic application. Okay, for that to happen, first of all, click on this trigger window and here select the trigger application as ThriveCart. Here it is selected. All right, and after that, select the trigger event here as product purchase. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of ThriveCart application. So guys, you can get this key from the ThriveCart account settings section. Let me show you that. This is my ThriveCart application, and here, guys, you can see this profile section. From here, click on the settings option, and under settings page, you will find this API and webhooks option. Select it. And here you will find the API keys section. Click on view settings, and here you can generate a API key by clicking on this generate key button. Here you can give a name to this key like this, and then click on create API key, and here's how the key will be generated. So just copy the key and put the key here in this token field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with ThriveCart. All right, now you can close this. So we are now connected, and here it started asking to select the product name. So I am selling so many products on ThriveCart. This is my product page, and here we are setting up this automation for this particular product named as Advanced PHP. This is a digital course I'm selling, and this product is under the test mode. You can see. So we have added the product in the test mode to set up this workflow. So I'm selecting the course name or the product's name. So you can see the product status is test. Okay, now click on save and send test request button, and it will start waiting for the response of this connection that you have created with ThriveCart. Now guys, I'm going to open the checkout page. You can read in the important note, you need to make a purchase from ThriveCart checkout page so that the response can be received here. So I'm going to manually create a test purchase via this checkout page of our product. This is the checkout page. Here I'm going to fill in the details of a demo student or a test student who is purchasing our course. So this is the name of the student. So I filled in the details. You can see now I'm clicking on this continue option, and here it is asking to provide the card number to make this purchase. So this is a test purchase, and to perform a test transaction, you can just click on this copy card number and just paste the same number here. So this is the test card details. So here you can put any future date of expiration of the card, and here you can put any random 3 digits as the CVV, and then click on complete order, and your order will be placed in a moment. Here you can see guys, the order is placed. The amount is this $1. Okay, you can see the details here as well. In the response, the details will be captured like this. You can see here the unit price is $1. Okay, and here you can see the name of the course. Okay, the currency details, and the details of the customer or the student is also captured here like this. Okay, now guys, with the help of this data, I want to create a contact in Mautic application. So in this action step, I'm going to connect with Mautic, and I'm going to use the action event here as create or update contact. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask you to provide the username of Mautic and the password. So when you create your Mautic account, you will get these things. You need to fill it here. For the base URL, you can open the settings section of Mautic, and under the configuration page, you will get the base URL. Let me show you that. This is my Mautic application, guys, and here you can see the settings icon on the top right corner, and here you will find the configuration section. Open it, and here under the configuration you can see the site URL. Okay, and this is the root URL of Mautic. So you just have to copy this and paste it here in this base URL field like this. Okay, and after that fill in these details, then click on save, and you will be connected with Mautic, and your connection will be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again in future, you can use that saved connection. For that to happen, just click on this existing connection option, and from here you can choose that saved connection, and then click on save, and you will be connected again. So you do not have to fill the details every time when connecting with Mautic in future. Okay, here you can see guys, after getting connected, it is asking for these fields. It is asking for the contact number, points, so you can give any point like this, and last active date. If you have these details, you can fill it here. You can fill the title, then it's asking for the first name, last name, position, email address, phone number, etc. So guys, I'm going to map the available details from the trigger step. Here we have received the details of my customer, so I'm going to map these labels I have received here in these fields to create a contact. So to map the details, just click here on this field like this, and the trigger step will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So you can just scroll down and click on this first name label to map the first name. Similarly, you can map the last name. Okay, right. If you have the email address, you can map the email address. Here it is. Okay, and the phone number as well. All right, so I have mapped the available details, guys. If you have other details like these, you can map all the details, and you can fill the details manually as well. But the things that you are mapping is going to change every time when this workflow is going to execute. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the data here, because in real time, whenever this workflow is going to trigger, the labels will be updated and new contact will be added in Mautic automatically. Okay, now you can test your connection with Mautic by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new contact will be added here under the contact section. Right now I have 3 contacts. Let's test our connection. I am clicking on save and send test request button here, and this is the response we got. Okay, so here it is showing contact is published, value is 1. Okay, let's check in Mautic. I'm going to refresh this contact section, and here you can see guys, a new contact is added here named as demo student, and this is the email address, and this is the points. These are the same details I have added here in this in these fields. You can see demo student. Okay, and the points are 5, and it got added. So our connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to trigger every time when someone is going to purchase your product via ThriveCart page. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.